Make a great choice today with the 2021 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, cloth seat trim, front bucket seats. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.